Hi, my name is Michelle Metzner, and welcome to this tutorial about creating content using an HTML editor in the D2L Learning Management System. While it is possible to upload your content using Word documents or PowerPoint slides, things like that, some people do like to create content with an HTML editor, and so that's what we're going to go ahead and look at today. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to log into your D2L system. And once you get in, go ahead and open the course that you want to go ahead and use. So we're going to take this first one right here and just click on it. And once we're in, we'll go ahead and look at the top navigation bar and click on Content. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to locate the modules that we have in our course. Those can be found in the left menu bar under Table of Contents. So you'll see we have a module for the syllabus for week 1, week 2, and week 3. So we have all of those modules set up. Let's go ahead and we'll access the week 1 module right now. So just click on week 1. And you'll see up here that it has changed to week 1. And right now we don't have anything in it. So let's go ahead and put something in it. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on the word new. And then we're going to go ahead and go down and create a file. Now, keep in mind, while you can type your content in here, it's easier if you type your content in a Word document and then copy and paste from that Word document into this window right here. So I have some text that we're going to work with here in a minute. But first, I want to go ahead and add a title for this document. So this is about features of Microsoft Word. Okay. And then I'm going to come right down here into the text pane, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste that text right on in. Now that I have my text pasted in, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the formatting features that we have that appear in this ribbon above the text. Here we can change the level of the information, so we can create headings, block quotes, course paragraph styling. We can also do the standard bold, italics, underlining. Here's where we can change our alignment and indent a bit. Here we have our bulleted lists and numbered lists. We can also insert quick links here. We can adjust our font here and our type size here. If we click these 3 dots, we can find some more actions that we can take if we want. Okay, so now that we have this text in, let's go ahead and kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. You'll notice if I double click on a word, it brings up a smaller panel or features panel that has some of the most used features. So let's go ahead and bold the key idea in each bit of text here. So we'll just bold those, themes and styles, picture, and the reading view. Okay. So I notice in this second paragraph here, I want to make this a bulleted list. So I'm going to hit enter and just make that a quick bulleted list. Okay, now to shut the bullets off, you have to go ahead and click that again, and it will shut it off and take everything to the left. That should be at the left. Okay, so that's how you make a quick bulleted list. The same goes for a numbered list. Now let's say I want to add an image to this. Okay, I'm going to click wherever I want to put that image. So right now I'm going to put it here because we're in the picture paragraph. So I'm just going to go to the end of that picture paragraph, and I'm going to hit enter a couple of times just to kind of make room for that picture. All right. And so in this navigation bar, or this features bar, I'm going to look for the little icon that looks like a little scene with some mountains in it, and that's the insert image box. And so I'm going to click that. And I have an image stored on my computer, so I'm going to click my computer, and then I'm going to click upload. Okay, and so here it is. Let me double click it and then give it a second to upload. So I see the link here, so it tells me that's been uploaded successfully. So I'm just going to click add. And then it asks me to enter alternative text. And this is for people who have visual impairments and may not be able to see what the picture is. So you want to very briefly describe it. And so I'm just going to say, this is the DTL logo. Okay, and then I'm just going to click OK. All right, so you'll see that the image is inserted right after, like right where I put the cursor. Okay, now you might need to come back down here and adjust the spacing a little bit. Okay, before I save this, I just want to make sure I've given the file a title, which I have. I have my text in. I did some formatting changes. I've added the image that I want in here. So everything looks good as far as I'm concerned, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save and close. And so you'll see at the bottom it said created successfully, so that's how you know it's there. But I want to take a look at it from a student view. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to class list, and I'm going to click on the word class list because I've already created a demo student. So I'm going to go to class list. I'm going to find my demo student, which is titled ZZ Student ZZ Demo, and click the little drop down box, and I'm going to hit impersonate. And then I'm going to say yes, okay, because I want to see what this looks like from a student's perspective. And then I'm going to go to content. And we put this into week 1. So you'll see there is a file in week 1. So let me click on week 1. We have the features of MS Word. And if I click on it, this is what comes up. So it looks pretty good right there. I might want to add another space after sign and a space before reading, just to let that logo, you know, kind of stand out a little bit. But for right now, everything looks okay. So I want to go ahead and stop impersonating my student. So I'm going to click up here on the orange box, and then I'm just going to click the X and let that be the end of that. Okay, so that was a real quick and dirty on how to create content using an HTML editor in the D2L Learning Management Systems. If you have any questions about the information in this video, please email me at michelle.metzner@wright.edu, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time.